I'm finally moved into my room, and I know it's a little late. Like, I know I've like started college like 2 weeks ago, but I feel like this isn't like a dorm. Like, this is like my space, you know? Like, this is where I live. It's like moving out of my house, living in an apartment for the first time in my life. And I'm so excited to be here. Like, I'm so excited to be back in Tuscaloosa. Of course, we are being safe though. Wear your mask, hand sanitize, please be safe. The cases are going crazy. But I'm just like so excited to be finally moved in, and I feel like that I should do a room tour of my new living space, because it's not just a dorm, it's my apartment. Like, this is like my second home, you know. I do pay rent, so like this is not just like a dorm, it's like my house, you know. But it's not my house. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I put a lot of thought and energy into this room, and it's like everything I pretty much imagined my room to be. I'm pretty sure there's things that like in this room that I wanted to do with my room for a long time that I've never done in my old house, but I did it in here, and I'm just so excited. I hope that y'all enjoy my room too, and I feel like there's no better way to start filming in this room without doing a room tour, because this is my room and this is like my studio and my space. So I feel like I should obviously let you guys in on where I'm filming at now. So yeah, so let's get on with this video, and I hope that y'all enjoy my room. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna start with this side of the room, and I know that y'all can't see those photos because the camera lens isn't getting the shot, but I'll show you guys after. But as you walk in, you're gonna see my TV, which is probably not safe because it's already fell on me. It's already fallen on me. It's already fallen on me like once, and I did break my nail when it fell on me. So probably not the safest, but that's the only place that works. I have a little plant right here. And then up here, I have these two photos. This is my Chanel Prada. This is one of the pictures I got from Etsy. Oh, both of these are from Etsy, by the way. But I got these like a year ago, and they were in my old dorm, but I love them so much I put them into my new dorm. Plus, there was no point to buy more pictures because, you know, they're just too expensive, so I didn't want to buy any more. This like is kind of like the inspiration, like fashion, like luxurious fashion brands. I feel like that's just the goal in my life right now. Not really the goal in my life, but like the goal in my life is to be able to buy like a luxury bag without like needing anybody's money but mine. Like, that's the goal. And it's not really the goal, it's like I want to buy a luxury bag. It's to have the option to buy a luxury bag with my own money and not sweat it. So being successful. And that's the sign of success to me, is being able to buy your own stuff without being able to sweat anything. So I guess that's just my inspiration. I have a lot of it, and plus I love fashion. I am a fashion retail major and a marketing major, so that's like, oh, it's not focused. But that's just like kind of the gist of it and stuff. And then also on this side of the wall, I have a calendar that is just for decoration, because who actually uses wall calendars with like this unless you're like in a family of 4 or something? Like, I don't know, but it fits the room. It's so cute. Like, it's pink and it's nice and it matches, so it's got on the wall. Is it like really bad? Okay, this is good. So I know that there's this glare right here. This is my window. I mean, if I closed it, would it make it better? But like, does that make things better? A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so this picture up here is a picture of Audrey Hepburn. I've never watched any of her movies. Unfortunately, I haven't had the opportunity to watch any of her movies, but her style, you know, she was like a style icon. I just know that she resembles classy or classic and pearls, but it's just like, she's very like what I want in my room. I don't even know. She's just aesthetically pleasing. I don't know. So then over here is my nightside table, or my bedside table, or whatever you call it. But anyways, this is a picture of me when I graduated. Not even a year. It'll be 2 years ago when everyone else graduates. And then here is a dish, supposed to be for my jewelry, but I never like take it off, so I guess my lip gloss sits there. And then I have a humidifier that I don't know how to use. And then I have these tulips. I got them from Amazon, and I think they like really just add something to the room. I love it. And then here's my V that doesn't work, my lamp, and then a book that my mom put. It's a Becoming book by Michelle Obama. My mom loves that lady. I love that lady, but it's just an inspiring book to have on your bedside table. You know, I don't have time to read it, but I know that it is such a great book, and it has a lot of like inspiring things in it. And then the next and the big part of that room is my bed. I love my bed. Like, I absolutely love it here. Okay, alright, so this is my bed, and if you watch my other videos, you know that this bedding is from Amazon. I got it for $50 for the bedding, the pillows like this, and then I also got like 3 of these like type of pillows right here and right here. I'm absolutely in love with my bed. It's like, I kept showing everybody my bedding. I'm like, this looks like, this is so perfect for me. Show them, and it's like, that is you. Like, that is so you. I'm like, I know. So this is my bed. I'm so happy that it came together, and it really, really matches my room, and I love it. So yeah, this is my bed. So the next big thing that was really important in my room is this backdrop, and I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but I will get some b-roll of it. But this, like, I've had this on my Pinterest feed, like my saved, for like 2 years now. And I remember I went to like Temple University in Philadelphia with my cousin, and one of her roommates had the thing that like on her wall, like in their apartment. I absolutely, like, I was in love, and that was like freshman year in October. So now roll it back to August of 2020, and that was in 2019. Like, I've been waiting to do this for such a long time, but I feel like it is like the big part in my room that really like it just puts the whole thing together. I feel like without this, my room would be like, and like it would be okay, but like with this, it's just like, it just adds something to it, and I don't really know what it is, but it does. It just adds something to it. And then this is my full-size mirror. I don't know if the lighting is good right now, but this is how tall it is. It's big, and I got it from Amazon. And then, hold on, it does a special thing. It lights up. I did this myself, like I DIY'd it, so it's always like great lighting. I look really short, but it's always great lighting in this thing. And then this is my floor rug or whatever. I have 2. Well, not the same, but this is one of them. This is white, and it feels so good. I got it from Amazon. And then I also have this rug right here, and I got it from Walmart. Yeah, I got it from Walmart. It's pink and sparkly, and I like it. So then when you look this way, on the opposite side, you see my vanity with all my stuff. Okay, so this is like my vanity area. I have my purses hung up here. I also have my mask, because, you know, it's kind of like a thing now. Like, you have a hook in your room with your mask and your keys. So I have a couple of masks here, and then I have my keys over here. And then this is where I do my makeup. As you can see, I have stuff sorted in this basket that I don't know what it is, but I'll get to it. I have my scrunchies that I used to wear all the time. And then I also have on this side, this is my makeup stuff. I have my lip gloss jar, eyeliner, concealer, mascara, and then I have my eyelashes right here, my makeup palette, highlight, and then foundation and stuff. And then this is my mirror. It's like so fun to like do my makeup and like sit right here, even though I'm like not the best at makeup, like not at all, but it's fun to try. And then up here I have another picture with like the Chanel, Prada, Dior type of stuff. Right here is my other wall with my but first makeup picture, my love sign, and that sign I've had for like 3 years now, and it just keeps coming into like all my rooms. And then this is a new photo, and it says inhale confidence and exhale doubt. And over here is my bathroom with my personal items. So then on the sink I have basic stuff like Q-tips, face swabs, and cotton swabs. And then I have this, I guess it's just for the aesthetic. Don't actually use it because we know skincare by Hiram, and he says do not use that. So I also have this, but I don't use it either. So it's kind of just there for the aesthetic, but I do use these. This is my Aveeno face lotion, my eczema cream, my anti-age serum. I know I'm not old, but that's my anti-age serum for my under eyes because I have bad under eyes. And I also have nail repair intensive gold eye gel patches or eye mask, and this is my exfoliation. And that is my sink with my stuff. And then over here I also have another photo to add to my bathroom on the wall. So I guess it all like looks like this. This is my toilet with like my coverings and then my rugs on the floor. When you open my cabinet, you'll see I have a bunch of pink towels. I have my toilet paper, and then I also have like my medicine stuff. And then here is my, whoops, the light is not on. Here is my closet. And then here are all of my shoes and whatever. I've been told I have a lot of shoes. I don't think I have that many shoes, but I've been told I do, so maybe I do. But these are all my shoes. And then here are all of my clothes. And on the top are like my jeans and my jean shorts and stuff that can't go on hangers. Okay, so I'm about to open my door. And this is the big reveal. Well, I hope that y'all enjoyed my room. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way through. And if you like what you saw today, please subscribe down below. And then also follow me on my social medias at Valerie-taiylor on Instagram and Valerie-taiylor on Snapchat as well. And I hope that y'all have a great day, and I hope to see y'all soon.